Welcome to Anvils for Sale. Here we have a 358-pound North German anvil with no upset block. When we look it over, we see a ding on this edge, but otherwise it looks pretty good. Minor chipping on the flat horn. Holes look good. This is a compact anvil with a wide face. It appears that it is in absolutely original condition, never been repaired. The top plate is thick, as you see here, and as we spin it, you'll notice that this edge over here has chipping. This indicates that the anvil is very hard. Later on in the ball bearing bounce test and the hammer rebound test, you'll see that it performs beautifully. We anticipate this from the view of the edge being chipped. Now this side is pretty flat, but this side has some saddle. This anvil may have been used by someone who was left-handed.